Why do the Chinese warn people to put Coca-Cola on avocado, but the doctor puts Coca-Cola on avocado? That's right. And once you've learned this, you'll never suffer from this problem again. When you find out why, you'll thank me forever. To begin with, we need 1 avocado. It doesn't matter if it's ripe or unripe. After opening the avocado, cut it in half. We only need the seed. Most people have no idea what this simple seed can do for your health and well-being, and you'll be shocked when you find out. Now, wash it and remove the thin skin that surrounds the seed. Next, I'll show you the power of the avocado pit. Everyone should know about it. Here it is, cleaned and ready. So, what should we do next? Cut the seed into small pieces. The avocado seed is not very hard, but you will need to apply a little pressure to cut it. Did you know that almost 90% of people throw this part away? But I'll explain why the remaining 10% is never wasted. Once cut, the avocado pit naturally changes color and turns orange. Now take a glass container with a lid and put the pieces inside. These 2 ingredients form a powerful home remedy that you need to have at home, especially if you suffer from body aches. Now, we'll need 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola, and here's why we're using it. Take a pen and paper so you don't forget this information. Many people don't know, but Coca-Cola wasn't originally the soft drink we know today. It was developed as a medicine to treat headaches, stomach aches, and even body aches. It was made from coca leaves and cola seeds. But the most important part is that when you combine it with avocado seeds, its benefits multiply even more. This is a great home remedy, and you can't fail to try it. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps relieve joint pain in various parts of the body, such as the back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you suffer from leg pain or know someone who does, you need to try this remedy. All right, doctor, that sounds amazing, but how do I use it? After adding 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the chopped avocado seed, let it rest for 24 hours, preferably in a dark place away from direct sunlight. It's super simple and easy, using just 2 ingredients. If you didn't know about it, try it at home. After 24 hours, it will be ready to use. It's not necessary to remove the seed, but you can if you prefer. Simply apply the mixture to the sore area and leave it on overnight. I used to get severe pain in my knees, and it bothered me a lot, so I started using this trick. It's also fantastic for joint pain in the arms, especially the wrists. Just apply and rub. It's also great for elbows, which often ache due to daily movements or lifting heavy objects. I also apply it to my heels after a long, exhausting day. You know those days when you walk a lot and your shoes feel tight? You can use this mixture to relieve the discomfort. Do you feel pain in any of these areas? That's it for today, hugs. God bless and see you next time.